Hello everybody, it's Robin from Roaming with Rover. We got happy mail. So today is a sponsored video. Everything that I'm showing you today was sent to me free to try out and to show to you guys. This is from a company called One Day Saving. onedaysaving@gmail.com or www.onedaysaving.com, and I will put their information down below. They have included a discount code, which is good forever. And it's a 5% off discount. It's Rover 05 off. And I will also put that down below. So anytime now or in the future that you want to purchase something from these folks, you can use that discount code. One Day Saving. They have a variety of stuff on their site. Let me get to their site. I wanted to leave this up. Let me show you what I got first, and then I'll go to the site and talk about it a little bit because I want to show you the pricings. I was given the opportunity to order 3 items, and we're going to have 2 videos. We're going to have this, which is an unboxing video, and then we're going to have a second video where I'm going to work on the project a little bit, and we'll see how the project goes, how it works up, that sort of thing. So I'll be able to give you a true feel for not just what they have and what their prices are, but the product itself. So this is diamond art painting, which I enjoy doing diamond art painting. If you have not done it before, let me show you. These are smaller items. Often diamond art painting is photos. In fact, let me do this. See that dog on the wall? That's a diamond art painting. It was a picture of someone's dog that they sent into a company, and you can do that. And then you can have designs done up, and then you literally take a stylus and put these things on there one at a time to make your picture. So this is the little stylus, and every time I've ordered a kit, it's come with all this stuff. So they come with the little stylus, comes with the little tray, and this really does work. It's funny, you pour these things out, and they're called drills. You pour the drills out in here, and they flip the way they're supposed to be, and then you can grab them with this. You use this, and then you put them on your picture one at a time. This is sticky stuff that you use. You put on the end of the stylus. That makes it sticky so you can pick this up. There's already sticky stuff on the product that you're making. And these are, I can open this up because, again, like I told you, I am going to be working on these and doing a future video showing you what this looks like. So this is, this is the way they usually come, in a big old thing like this. Remember those candies when we were kids? We'd get these candies and they came like this. Maybe it's just me. Okay, so these drills, that's these little bitty, there. Each one of those is one, and you pick those up with that stylus and put it on the design. That's all there is to it with diamond art painting. And they usually come with all your colors in a different packet. And then of course what I do is I get those snack size Ziploc bags, and I put these inside of there. They are so pretty. And some of them are real sparkly, some of them are not as sparkly, but the colors are really pretty. This particular one has extra little goodies. I've never gotten a kit like this before, where it's got all these extra different sizes of little goodies. So I'm going to be really looking forward to seeing what the dealio is with these. Oh, look at this one. It's little roses. Isn't that cool? Oh, I love that. I think I did a good job picking out what I was picking out. So I picked out these items specifically because I wanted to see how they would work up. Because I've done diamond painting before. I know how diamond painting works. So that part of it wasn't as big a deal to me. So this one I picked out is a set of keychains. And I'm quite curious to see how well these things are going to stick. Because you know keychains get used. What do we got going on here? Oh, see, we've got it. It comes with a little chain. It comes with the clasp. So we're going to put the chain around there. And so there's that part. There's the clasp. And then it comes with these little decorative, oh, they're so cute. Now, I would never use this as a keychain, but I love them. Oh, I see where the big stickers go. Aren't these cute? They're little drinks, little cocktails. There we go. Can you see them? There, you can see them. All right, so here's a real good one. So you can see, here's the whole thing, a couple of inches big, and it's got little markings, numbers. So that's where you put all the little doodads. And I'll bet you this is that one, right? It sure is. Okay, I'm not gonna hook it on there right now because I will do this. Maybe I should do the big ones first. I should do the big ones first and then the small ones around it. You are correct. Now, this is a double-sided thing, so we're gonna get to do both sides of it. That's gonna be interesting. And then this is the great big for right here. These are gonna be so cute when they're done. These are gonna be so cute. I don't know that I realized it was both sides, so I like it that even better now. So we got 4 of these. Now there's a piece of plastic coating on here, and you peel that back. I don't want to do it because it'll ruin it, but you peel that back, and then there's sticky stuff on here. So that's what causes these to stick on here. I'm making it sound much more complicated than it is. It's really quite easy. But I wanted to know something like this that's going to get used, even if you're not taking it in and out of your pocket, in and out of your purse. Like if I put the mailbox key on this, it's going to go in the basket, but it's still going to get carried around, and I'm going to put it in my pocket while I got the mail and then walk back to the house. And so it will get used somewhat. Would I throw this in my purse and use it as an everyday keychain? No, because I know it's going to tear those pretties off. Throw it on a tote bag as a decoration. That would be cute, and I would absolutely do that. That would be really cute. And these are long enough that that's going to go around the handle of a tote bag or on the back of a backpack or something fun like that. I can absolutely see using this for that. So I absolutely am going to be doing a second video so you can see me working on these. So that's the first thing I got, was this little set of 4 keychains, and they're all different kinds of drinks. That's like a lemonade. I don't know what they are. They're just cute, pretty drinks. And you can see they're pretty good sized. Can I measure this real quick? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna run over here and measure this real quick. Don't leave me. 1, 2, about 2.5 inches. So this is about 2.5 inches. So it's not huge, but it's not tiny. Okay, what did I pay for that? I paid for the 4-piece do-it-yourself special shaped diamond painting juice bag. They call it juice. We know it's not juice. Okay, juice. And this was $5.78. Very good price. $5.78. I'm very pleased with that price. I'm excited about that. The second thing I picked, whoops, let me put these back in the bag so I don't lose them, because you know I will. Put these in the bag. Okay, put these over here. All right, the second thing I picked was the same reason. This is something that's going to get thrown in my purse or thrown in a bag, thrown in a tote bag, and I wanted to know how well it would hold up. It's an eyeglass case. So it's got the little thing at the top. Whoops, got the little thing at the top. You can put your sunglasses. See, I would totally use this for my sunglasses. So it's going to travel in my purse a lot or in a tote bag that I take with me. It is for sure going to have that. And again, here's the basic thing. This comes with every kit I've ever gotten in Diamond Art. You get that exact kit. It comes with the drills, all the little drills packaged exactly the same way. Hello, that's it. That's what it comes with. It comes with the kit and the drills, which is all you need to do diamond art painting. I mean, this is it. I have used these for many, many, many diamond arts. And It works perfectly fine. So as a sunglass case, this is going to be taken in and out of my purse a lot, and I was very interested to see how well those drills are going to hold up on this particular product. And this isn't like the regular fabric. This is like a regular vinyl sunglass case. So again, really, really interested, and that is why I chose this particular project. And I paid nothing. They gave me this, but it was $3.99. $3, and you can't buy a sunglass case for that much. And this one, you've got a whole project, a whole kit with all the stuff to do. Okay, this is called the Diamond Painting Glasses Storage Bag Organizer Waterproof Glasses Pouch, $3.99. They did not have a lot of designs of this. I want to say maybe 10 or 12, and several were sold out when I was choosing. But I think this is cute. The little kitty is so cute. How can you not love that little kitty? So, again, I want to know how well this is going to hold up going in and out of my purse. And I want to know how well that stuff is going to stick to this vine, because this is a really nice product. I like the product. It's got that snap open thing. This is a good thing. So I really hope this works out well. Diamond art painting is very simple. I've done it with kids as little as 6 years old. This is not a hard project to do. So if you're looking for something for your littles, this is a good idea, because there's a bazillion designs out there. And there's a bazillion designs on this website, so you'll be able to go in there and find something that you like. The third thing that I got was, and I'm really excited to try this. So remember I showed you, you pick up those drills, those little sparkly things, one at a time with this, and place it on your product. Well, that's fine on something like this, but when you're doing a design, like I showed you that dog where there's thousands of drills that you're doing. So this is a kit for, let's see what they call it. This is the Diamond Painting Point Drill Set. And it is, there we go. Can I get it? Can I get it? Yes, I got it. Okay. So it comes with this little thing full of heads and this fancy handle. So you can see this is going to be a lot easier to hold than this little skinny thing. Okay? That's going to be a lot easier on your hands after you've done this for a long time. The other cool thing that I liked about it is when you pick up the drills one at a time, like I was showing you, that's fine. But if you're doing something where you've got a whole huge area of one color, this is what you want. You want something like this, where you can pick up a whole bunch of drills at the same time. See, I don't know if you can see there. You can see that opening there. So you load the drills on here. So I could probably get 6 of them. Oh yeah, it says right there, 6. So I could pick up 6 drills with this, boom, and then boom, put them on my thing all at one time. Let's see if I can get this in here. Yep, so that's gonna work just like this. So I'm gonna be able to pick up my drills and stick them to my project, just like that, 6 at a time instead of 1 at a time. And when you're doing things that have thousands of them, then you definitely need something like this. Okay, now here's another one. It's even bigger. See the difference in size there. This one will hold 3. I can see me using this one a lot. And again, maybe not so much on these particular projects, but yeah, so look at the heart here. There's a ton of the same color on that. And there's a lot of places you can see where I could do 3 at a time. Absolutely a lot of places. I'm very excited to use this. I'm very excited to try this out and see how it works. There is a single one, and which I think you would need, you can put one on each end. So I can do my 3, but I can also do my single one when I'm only doing 1 or 2. So how much was this fancy little tool, you ask? I will tell you right now. The Diamond Painting Point Drill Pin Set with metal nibs And it came with 6 nibs, of which I don't know what to do with all of them, but you know I'll figure it out. $6.99. And the handles came in all different colors. But you know me, I'm always going for the purple whenever I can. So I think this is a very good price. I hope it works really, really well. I hope it works as well as I want it to. And I am going to give this a try, and I'll let you know how it works out. So again, the name of the company is, let me get it right. The name of the company is One Day Saving. And let's pop over here. They're having a New Year's sale right now. Order $50, get 2 free gifts. I find that most of these things, you order a certain amount, you're going to get free shipping. And they have tons and tons and tons of designs. Keychains and bookmarks, and here's a clock. That's kind of cute. Look at this clock. It's kitties playing. Okay, so let's see how much the clock is. I have no clue. No idea. Let's see how much the clock are. The clocks are $7. You can't even buy a clock for $7. They've got a wolf one. Oh, I love this. Look at this. They've got little flower ones and a heart. You know me and my hearts. They have all different kinds of clocks on here, all different designs. Really, really pretty items. Really pretty items. Some of the, there's extra discount. Some of these are $6, $7, $8, $9, and I see up to $18. So they've got an under $4 section. They have, see, again with the cute kitties. I love the kitties. They have new arrivals. They have diamond painting. They do cross stitch. I thought they had other things. They have tools. They have paint by number. They have nail art, puzzles, wholesale and promotions. So they've got a lot of different things going on here. Preferred kits. Oh, these are so cute. They've got a big shopping bag where you can put your initial on it. I like those a lot. But I was super excited about this pin set. I really wanted to see how this was going to work. I really wanted to see how this was going to work with this different kind of a fabric. So I will let you know. I'm going to do a second video. I'll get going on these, and I'll get a little ways, and I'll get this thing figured out, and then I will do another video in a couple of weeks and let you know how I think these things have worked out. Thank you so very much for joining me today. Make sure that you check out the links down below to the company website with the discount coupons, and I hope you find something in there that you'll enjoy. If you haven't done diamond painting before, this is a great way to start because the prices are so very reasonable, and they have an enormous selection to pick from. I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, I hope that you'll give it a thumbs up. And if you're getting pleasure from the content, I hope that you will subscribe. Thanks so very much. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.